Hey guys, it's Baby Pink Gamer here and I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the Insta360 Ace Pro 2 and a bunch of other goodies I got with it. This is just going to be an unboxing, but I plan on making another video where I give my thoughts on it, show my accessories, as well as share photos and videos that I've taken with it, so stay tuned for that. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing I'm going to be unboxing is the Insta360 Mic Air. I actually ended up getting this for free with my purchase. I got the camera right when they were having their spring sale, and a lot of content creators were making YouTube videos on it. And so I came across one, and a lot of them had like links for free gifts and things like that, and one of them was for a free mic. So the bundle I got was the Explorer bundle in Arctic White. I purchased it off the Insta360 website, and the original price was $459.99, but the spring sale price was $359.99. So it was $100 off, and then I got a free mic and also a free case with it. The Mic Air comes with the mic itself without the receiver, a carrying case, charging cable, button magnet, clip magnet, magnetic necklace, and the wind guard that you can put on and take off. One thing I do want to mention is that the Mic Air without the receiver can only be used with Insta360 products. It can't be used with an iPhone or an iPad or anything like that. And the receiver is not able to be purchased separately. So if you want to buy a receiver in order to use it with your iPhone or iPad, you would have to buy a whole other Mic Air bundle that comes with the receiver and the mic as well. Next up, we have my favorite part of the video, which is the unboxing of the Insta360 Ace Pro 2. Again, I have the Arctic White color, which I think is a limited edition color. Last time I checked, it is temporarily out of stock on the Insta360 website, which is where I purchased mine from, but I think that it's still available on Amazon, so I will go ahead and link it down below if you guys are interested. One thing that I do want to mention that I wasn't aware of myself before purchasing the camera is that this is the newer design version for the US only. The old version has a square lens, whereas this one has an octagon shape. So if you're looking for any cute accessories or cases for it, just be aware of that, because most of the ones, if not all of the ones that I've seen, are not for this newer version. I did read that you can buy the square lens separately, but I don't believe that it comes in the Arctic White colorway, so just keep that in mind. What comes in the box is the Ace Pro 2 camera itself, a USB-C cable, a mic cap and a wind guard, a standard mount, and the battery. One of the biggest reasons why I decided to buy the Ace Pro 2 was specifically for the size. The Ace Pro 2 is an action camera, and so one of the biggest features is the small size. Because it's an action camera, it's super durable, it's super compact, you can throw it in your bag and just take it wherever you want to go. It's easy, it's lightweight, which is one of the biggest things, because a lot of cameras are super heavy and I don't want to be carrying that around in my bag all the time. Another reason why I chose to go with the Ace Pro 2 is the fact that it was advertised as just a regular camera. I really miss the days of point and shoot cameras where you can just pull it out, take a quick photo, and throw it back in your bag. It can take 50 megapixel photos, and I love the fact that you have the ability to buy different lenses for it, such as like a macro lens or a cinematic or anamorphic lens. So I thought that was really cool, and I feel like it gives this camera plenty of versatility. The second gift I got with this camera was a yellow hard shell case. This was just something that they were giving away for the spring sale directly on their website. You didn't need a code or a link or anything like that to get this. It wasn't a huge selling point for me, but honestly, if you're gonna give me a free gift, I'll take it. I'm not crazy about the colors, but I'm not gonna lie, I actually ended up liking this case. I think it would make a cute little like crossbody bag or something like that. Not necessarily for cameras, but just to kind of use as a purse. So that's probably what I'm going to use it for. It comes with a crossbody strap as well as a wrist strap, but the wrist strap feels really cheap and plasticky, so I personally wouldn't use it myself. Last but not least, I'm going to be unboxing the Explorer grip kit. The grip is in the color Moonlight Silver, but it also comes in black and you can buy it separately on Amazon. This grip kit comes with the grip itself, a utility frame, decorative cold shoe cap, a cold shoe shutter button, and a wrist strap. They did recently come out with a pro version of this grip, but I don't really prefer that one because it removes a lot of the functionality that this one has. One thing I will say about this grip is it is heavy. So it kind of defeats the purpose a little bit for what I really wanted this camera for to begin with. However, it is really comfortable and it makes it a lot easier to press the shutter button when you're taking photos. I'm personally not a huge fan of the wrist strap. I just think it's too big and too bulky and it kind of defeats the purpose of having a really small camera. However, I know that it's for an action camera and it's meant to be durable and good quality, and so I do think it's perfect for that. My absolute favorite part of this grip kit is it's kind of like a little transformer. You can use the cage by itself or with the shutter button and without the grip, and it also lets you attach it to a tripod vertically so you can film vertically or horizontally. I do love that when it's all together, it actually looks like a full-size camera and it looks really cute. This is what the Ace Pro 2 looks like by itself in comparison to my OG Sony ZV-1. With the Explorer grip completely attached, it's pretty much the same size. All in all, I'm really loving this camera and I'm super glad I purchased it when it was on sale. As I mentioned earlier, I'm going to be doing another video where I share more of my thoughts on it, how I use it, what I like about it, what I don't like about it. I'll also be showing what accessories I bought for it, so stay tuned for that. Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below, and if there's anything you want to see in the next video, let me know as well. And if you made it this far, thank you so much for watching. I am so back to making long form content, and if there's something that you want to see or suggestion that you have, let me know also in the comments down below. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!